Hey there, fellow kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance mysteries one error code at a time. Today, we're tackling the Bosch oven error code E302, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever stared at your oven display flashing E302 and felt a wave of frustration, you're not alone. This code often pops up due to issues with the oven's temperature sensor or overheating problems. Let's dive in and get your kitchen back in action quickly. First off, what does error code E302 mean? In Bosch ovens from 2025, this code typically signals that the internal temperature sensor isn't reading correctly, which could be caused by a faulty sensor, poor ventilation, or even a simple power surge. It's the oven's way of saying, hey, something's not right, let's pause for safety. The good news is that many of these issues can be fixed at home without calling a pro right away. To troubleshoot, start by ensuring your oven is turned off and unplugged for safety. Wait about 5 minutes to let it fully reset. Once that's done, plug it back in and power it up. If the error persists, check for any blockages around the vents. Dust or grease buildup can cause overheating. Next, inspect the temperature sensor located inside the oven cavity. It might just need a gentle clean with a soft cloth. If you're comfortable, you can try running a self-diagnostic test if your model has that feature. Check your user manual for instructions. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to contact Bosch customer support or a certified technician, as there could be a wiring problem or a defective part. Remember, always prioritize safety and avoid DIY repairs if you're unsure. There you have it, quick and easy fixes for Bosch oven error code E302. We hope this helps you get back to baking your favorite treats in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.